welcome. This is a new build. I'm just going through the specs. This is a budget build, but with a difference because we're using a top-notch motherboard which can be upgraded as money becomes available to add the different parts. Right now we're putting in 32 gig of RAM. It's capable of 128, so it's way future-proof. So this is a motherboard. It's X99 from ASUS. It's a nice looking board. I don't know if you can see the back, but it's got all the features here. So that's the board I'm using. I'm unable to get a close-up at the moment, but take it from me, this is a nice board. I've already opened this box, and it's the H105 from Corsair, the cooler. I suppose you're all used to seeing this now, so I'm not going to go through any too much review on this one. But this is H100, that's what we'll be using. Okay, this is the graphics card we're using, but it will be temporary, so don't think that's... I'm not going to show you the card. But this is the GeForce GTX 750 Ti. M.2 drive here, SSD here, which I wasn't expecting. So that's nice. We've got an M.2 drive there, and it's
sounds.
It's a SanDisk 256 gigabyte. So we got some speed here. We'll be putting the operating system and software in this one. So that's great. Crucial SSD, 480 gig. I've never used the Crucial before, so that will be interesting. This is the Intel Core i7 LGA 2011, and it's the which one is it? It's the 5820K, 3.3 gigahertz, 16 gigabyte of RAM. For now, it will be up to 32 or 64, depends as time goes on.
I'm going to stop at 32.
So our plan is to go up to 32. So there you go. This is Vengeance LPX. Vengeance LPX 32 megahertz. We got the Corsair RM850X. This is completely modular. So that's great, because if something should go wrong with the power supply, all that cabling can stay where it is, and you just replace the power supplies, as long as you're using the same make and module. So there we go. I think that's it. This is the stage we reach. The computer is completely finished. Just put this power cable onto the graphics card, and all done. Now we was gonna put the M.2 SSD in, but the type we bought was the wrong one, so that is going back. We might put it in later, but who knows. So I'm gonna stop this now, and then the next time you see me, I'll show you in Windows and show you inside the BIOS as well, to show you that it's running and everything is fine.
Rolling.
Okay, now this is the finished product. We're now in BIOS, and we got a temperature of 24, motherboard 21. Fans are spinning. If you go to advanced features, all these are all set. So I just press F10, clear BIOS, okay. Reboot into Windows, just to show that Windows is still working. So now we're booting into Windows. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Quick, I can imagine. Must be about 15 seconds, I reckon. So here we have it. Windows installed.